Hi guys, it's Michelle Grigsby from buildablog.org, and we're going to go over your settings area now. And actually, if you go into your dashboard and log into the back panel, and we're going to go ahead and do that, but just really quickly I'm going to explain to you the settings area in WordPress is where you change how your site behaves. And there's a few settings where if changed it will optimize your site for search engines and a number of other things. So what I want for you to do is I want you to click on settings, and we're going to go over all these really quickly. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into general, and the first thing I'm going to show you, and I'm actually going to switch back over to my website and show you, this is the site title. So here the site title says Internet Abundance. It says Internet Abundance. In fact, if you click on that, it will take you to this main page. This, by the way, the main page is the home page because I have it set up that way, and I'll show you that in a second. We'll actually be getting to that in just a minute. So the tagline is the description of your website. So here where it says this is the description, I'm going to go ahead and change that, and I'll just say this is Michelle's tutorial for building an awesome website. I'm going to save that real quick just so I can show you. I'll go back and I'll hit refresh, and there's my description. Alright, now the next thing we need for you to do is here in the address section, I need to change the address. I need to add a www. So I'm going to go ahead after the http://, I'm then going to I'm going to left click and put in www dot. I'm going to do the same for my site address too, www dot. And this will make it so when someone comes to my site, it will show the www. I'm not going to go into detail as to why, but it's believed amongst top internet marketers that it enhances and improves your search engine optimization capability also. Verify that this is the address that you want to have, and this is the address I want to use. I'm going to leave this the way it is. I'm going to leave this the way it is. The time zone, right now it's not 8:10 p.m. It's actually 2 p.m. and what you need to do is on the time zone you need to click on that and just change the time zone to where you are, and you need to pick a city that is that's in your time zone. So I'm going to go to find the US, America, okay, and then it will, I'm going to pick Chicago because Chicago's in the same time zone as Missouri. So Chicago, and my week starts on Monday. That's fine. Click Save Changes. What that's going to do is it's going to prompt you. You're going to have to log in again. So now I'm back in my dashboard. I'm going to click on Settings, and now we're going to go to the Writing tab. Okay, now we're in the Writing section, and just pretty much leave this the way it is now. And I would like to remove under the next to mail server, just to get rid of that, and also the login name, highlight that and just get rid of that. I just want to, that's just for security reasons. Leave everything else the way it is. And then down here, this box right here, this is called the Max Blog Press Ping Optimizer box. And basically there are a list of sites that I'm going to give you, and actually I'm going to have it posted right below this video. And basically what I need for you to do is you copy that list, and what you're going to do is you're going to put that list in this box. And what it is these are pinging services. So when you publish a new post or a page, it will tell all these sites that you've posted a new post or a page, and Google really likes that. And let me tell you, this list is awesome. I got this from, I actually aggregated these from different internet marketers, so this is like my aggregate list, so you are very welcome to have it. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to open my notepad and highlight all of that, Control C or copy it. I'm going to go over here in my box and I'm just going to hit paste, and then I'm going to click Save Changes. Don't forget to save changes. If you forget and click something else, it won't prompt you that, do you want to save? So just don't forget, click Save Changes. Okay, here's the Reading tab. We're not going to go over this right now, so right now you see this, just leave it the way it is. Here's the discussion. See that? See how nice that looks? We're not going to do anything with that right now. Here's the media. We're going to leave that the way it is too. Privacy. Just want to make sure that you want the search engines to index this site, so make sure that that is highlighted, and you don't need to save changes if it already was highlighted. Alright, now we're going to go to permalinks. Okay. Permalinks, you will see a number of different settings that you can have for permalinks. Okay, a permalink is a permanent link to a certain page or a post on your site. And there's a number of different ways it can be displayed. So as you can see, I'm going to show you by default, it shows my internet website, and then it has a posting. It's going to basically, all my posts and pages will end with a number, and if you actually go to your site and click on it, and as you can see, this is a current post that's called Hello World, that was automatically installed when you installed WordPress. And when you look at this and when you click on the actual, this is your main page, and there's only one post so far. If you click on that to open it up, you can see the permanent URL that is associated with this post, and as you can see, it is the website with a question mark p=1. And in a later episode, we're going to talk later about search engine optimization and why we're going to see, you're going to see why this doesn't give search engines information as to what's on the page. So it would be much better if it said the name of the post or Hello World somewhere in the title or the URL, because that helps for search engine rankings. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the dashboard, and we're going to change the permalink settings now. There's different choices. There's this one that's followed by number. You can choose day and name, month and name, or numeric, or the name of the post, but we're going to actually do a custom structure, and we're actually going to use a piece of code that I'm actually going to post right below this video that you can highlight and put right here in this box. I'm going to go ahead and put that on there now. And I'm going to do a %, post name, %, and everything else I'm going to leave the way it is. I'm going to click Save Changes. Now that I've saved it, let's go back to your site and hit refresh and see what it does to your posting. As you can see now, it's the name of the post. So instead of it being p=1 or what have you, it's going to say the name of the post. So if it's 2 words or more than 1 word, it's going to have a dash between every word, and that's okay. That's normal. So, all right. Okay, and the subscribe to comments was that plugin that we plugged in, or that we downloaded or we installed, that allows people to subscribe to comments so that they would be notified via email if somebody responded to one of their emails. So you can just click on that and look at it and make any changes you might want to, but I really wouldn't mess with it. So, all right, so that's the end of setting your settings for optimizing them, at least at this point. So we're on our way to creating you a powerful website. So I'll see you in the next video.